So I want to ask, since ano siya, trading, how much time ba
Yes.
do you need to
Very
dedicate for
Correct.
this?
Correct. And it's a common misconception ng mga tao na beginners or totally don't have any idea about trading, in particular Forex trading.
Oo.
Is that,
Nababantayan mo ba
oo,
to?
kailangan parang nakaganon sila sa computer.
Oo, ganun ba siya?
That's one style
Okay.
of doing it.
Okay.
But it's not the only style. Kumbaga maraming ways nga to skin a cat.
Okay.
So maraming ways to earn in the market. So another way I was explaining earlier as well then sa may nagtanong, you can, before ka pumasok sa office, you can look at your charts, do your assignment, do your homework, and then set up your orders.
Okay. When you say order, ano yun?
So yun yung trade mo, parang doon mo na po i-set yung kung pumunta po doon yung price nung currency na yon, then doon siya papasok.
So pwede mo siyang i-set na parang pag ganito bebenta ko na.
Bebenta ko na or bibili ako.
Bibili ka.
So yun yung proper the proper term is pending order. Kumbaga naghihintay lang siya doon. And then once na matamaan, magti-trigger na siya. So set mo ng morning, pasok ka sa office, work ka. And then lunchtime, pag may free time ka, check mo yung phone mo kung na-trigger ba siya or hindi pa. And then balik ka ulit sa work.
Welcome to the Leapreneur Insights, where you learn the secrets of starting and growing your business the Filipino style. Because while it's good to learn from your own mistakes, it's better to learn from other people's mistakes and discover their blueprint to success. And now, your host, a certified Leapreneur himself, Jerry Ilao.
Hello mga Leapreneurs! Welcome to another session of Leapreneur Insights. This is Jerry Ilao, the founder of Leapreneur, and this is Leapreneur Insights, where we invite successful entrepreneurs to share their lessons about business. And mga Leapreneurs, Season 8 na natin ngayon. Grabe, sobrang bilis lang ng mga panahon. So Season 8, welcome everyone. Please say hi and where are you from sa ating chat box. And yon, maya-maya pag-uusapan natin Forex trading. Okay, so yan, very exciting discussion ulit yan mamaya. Please say hi and where are you from sa ating chat box. Yan. And by the way, December 3 na ngayon. Grabe, sobrang bilis ng panahon and Pasko na ulit. So, we would like to share pala that we had our Leapreneur Christmas party last week sa 7107 Cuisine and Restaurant. So, yon, thank you so much sa mga dumating na mga Leapreneurs. Yon, it was a nice meeting all of you. Yan. That was our Christmas party. And thank you also to Migs De La Rosa of Amplify for organizing that Leapreneur Christmas party. Yan. Tapos last November 22 and 23, we also had our franchising masterclass with Sir Butz Bartolome and Ma'am Linda Bartolome. So it was a full pack session and yon, we had got very good reviews. So yan, iniisip namin ni Sir Butz na maybe we can do that again in the coming months. So that was the franchising masterclass with Sir Butz and Ma'am Linda Bartolome, and some of the other franchisors were also there. So yun, and we got one of the students actually, si AJ. Hi AJ, if you're watching. Sabi niya, yun, he got 8 new franchisees just a week after the masterclass by implementing one of the things na natutunan niya from the masterclass. So, maraming salamat, and also to Sir Richie Kuna for giving us the venue. So Dunburi and Fior Gelato, yan, ni Sir Richie, and also to Ma'am Josie and Sir John Chung for gracing the occasion. So I think we're showing some pictures. Tapos, lastly, ano ginawa niyo during the weekends? Batiin ko muna sino ng mga nandito? Si John from Biltabol. Hi, John. And also si Roland from KSA. Yon, kumusta sa inyo? Si Miles from Negros. Hi, Miles. Si Rose also from SG. Si Ansano from KSA. A&W Couple Vloggers. Hi! Sa inyong dalawa. So, from Singapore. Sabi niya, go Jovan daw. Yes. Si Alexis from Dubai. Hello. Si Edwin. Si Dave. Serna. Hello, Dave. From Dubai as well. Si R. Kang Yong. Yon, go Jovan. Maraming fans ka, Jovan. Tapos si Jose from Jeddah. Hello, Jose. And then si Jasmine is also here. Yon, go Jovan. So please say hi and where are you from sa ating chat box. Yon, si Eric. Hi Eric from Link. Yon, nandito din si Eric. Also, Eric attended Christmas party natin. So thank you Eric and Dennis. Si Alexander from Indochina, si Glenn. Hi Glenn, yon, go Jovan. Tapos si Susan din from Bulacan. Ayun, si Jello is here. Hi Sir Jerry. So please say hi and where are you from sa ating chat box. So anong ginawa nyo last long weekend? We took the rest sa farm sa iNest and nagkaroon ako actually ng project. Kasi may mga nakikita ako ng mga string of lights. Ang tawag sa kanya ata string of lights, yung mga ilaw na sunod-sunod. So, nagkaroon ako ng project na string of lights. Kinabit namin last weekend sa iNest. So, we'll show some pictures. Papakita niya ata doon. So, yun, sobrang ganda nung string of lights. Yan. So, nakikita nyo dyan yung ninja line plus yung tightrope. So, we also had a guest there sa last weekend. So, if you're looking for, company, Christmas party, or kaya get away from the hustle and bustle of city life, so yun, you can book the iNest. Just look for iNest sa Facebook page or kaya sa Airbnb. It's also available there. So yan, nakita nyo yung string of lights. Yun yung latest na Christmas na project namin last weekend. Okay, sino pa dumating? Si Abdul Haling. Good morning daw. Si Peps is also here. Hi, Peps. Si Windsor din from Cebu. Si Melody from South Korea. Ayun, dami natin, iba-ibang lugar. Tapos si Yolanda from Singapore. Yan, go Coach Jovan. Okay, si Abdul Halim pala from Saudi Arabia. Hello. Yun. Okay. So I think kompleto na tayo. Excited na ba kayo sa ating pag-uusapan? Sabi ko nga kanina, pag-uusapan natin this afternoon is all about Forex trading and how you can treat it as a business. And ang guest mentor natin this afternoon is an entrepreneur, a coach, and a Forex trader, and also the founder of PinoySmartFX.com. So please help me welcome the founder of PinoySmartFX.com, Mr. Jovan Medrano. Hi, Jovan!
Hey, hello, sir! Wow!
Yun,
Finally.
welcome sa Insights. Yes, finally nag-meet tayo.
I'm very grateful to be here. So thank you very much for the opportunity.
Anytime. Bati ka. Maraming mga nag-aantay sa'yo.
Naging ko yung go Jovan.
Yes. Yan, si Alex from Bicol is also here. Si Joel from Oman. Si Belson from Bangkok. Yun, all around the world. And also, if you know someone who might be interested in this topic, magsimula pa lang tayo, tag nyo na para na makilala nila. They can also watch. Okay? Please share this page and also tag nyo na. Ayun. Yan, okay. Jovan,
yes,
kakarating mo lang kanina.
Yes. In fact, medyo kinabahan ako ng konti kasi na-delayed yung flight ko. But buti na lang merong ample time in between allowance. So yeah, I'm here.
Kakarating lang from Singapore ni Jovan. So thank you so much.
Yeah, right,
siguro to start with, maybe you can give them a background muna about you.
Okay. Yes, I'm an engineer by profession actually. So I graduated like everyone else. I studied and I graduated as an engineer and then worked in Philips for about 10 years. And then after nun, I was retrenched and then I started thinking what to do. Then that's how I went into business actually.
Okay.
That was in 2009.
Okay.
And
Anong business to?
Doon na naiba yung aking buhay. It was actually a frozen yogurt business.
Okay.
Retail business. So I was still in Singapore, pero we started the business here in Philippines. It was during the hype, craze nung frozen yogurt.
Yes.
Frozen
Tanda ko
yogurt.
yun.
So initially we did very well kasi parang nauna pa kami dun sa pataas ng wave.
Okay.
So, but then later on, since marami na nakapasok sa market, hindi rin umokay yung business. And it changed my life again when I failed dun sa business. It affected a lot of parts of my life. And then I had to restart, basically. And then, yun, from there, pero yung feeling na, wow, you have control, yung business, iba eh. Diba? You really have to go back to it. So after a few years of working, getting back to it, I went back into business ulit. Now, I'm more focused on education. Actually.
Okay.
Yeah. So, since then, I started a few education companies. One seminar company in Singapore for teenagers. We're doing personal development for teenagers. Hindi rin siya natuloy after that. Pero ngayon, we have an art school in Singapore, which is called Utter Studio. So we basically teach drawing, painting
Artist
for
ka?
kids. No, I'm engineer, sir.
Di ba
Pero
may-
yung partner ko is actually sa business is an
Okay,
artist. So, yeah.
okay.
So she handle all the technical stuff. Ako
Okay.
yung nag-handle ng business side.
Ang business side.
Pati yung paglilinis nung room.
Okay.
So yun. And then after that, I also went into property management.
Okay.
Which I have clients na bumili ng mga properties sa Philippines. So I handle their properties. And then now, this one, PinoySmartFX.com. So yan, I have...
What a journey.
Yes. It's very fun. Adventurous.
Yes. Si Jean is also here from Riyadh. Si Nelly from Qatar. Si Malin, happy Monday, eating lunch while watching Leapreneur. Hi Malin. Si Brian Medrano.
Oh,
Hi
pinsan
daw.
ko yan.
Yun. Si Randy from Dubai. And then, yan. So,
Okay.
si Jovan nagtag. So, please tag your friends who might be interested in this topic. Tapos share nyo na rin tong broadcast na to so that more people will be able to watch it. Okay. So, yun yung journey mo and paano ka napasok dito sa Forex trading?
Okay, so after nung failure ko dun sa, my biggest failure dun sa business din, yung frozen yogurt business, a lot of things happened. Then I started looking into, yung pera. How to actually handle money in a proper way.
Okay.
So that's when I started going into seminars and to learn about it, how to handle business, how to handle my finances properly. And that's where I got exposed sa investing,
Okay.
sa trading, and that was 2013. And then I went into, I was looking into options trading actually in the US. But, ano yun yung may kaba? Parang, naku, hindi ko alam to, baka mawala yung pera ko.
Yes.
Ganun lang, di ba? So, I didn't start. So, I just learned, I opened an account, pero I never started trading. 2013. And then in 2015, in one of the seminars that I attended, I met a common friend. Kasi kilala ko yung nagko-conduct ng seminar actually. And then, a common friend was into Forex trading.
Okay.
So then he introduced me like, oh, ganito yan. Then he taught me. He's actually a Malaysian. He was in Singapore. So, and then from there, parang iba yung may confidence na ako kasi dahil I know this person who introduced it to me. So then that's how I started in trading.
Okay. And then from there, you founded Pinoy Smart FX.
Pinoy Smart FX is later pa. Later
Okay.
pa. So when I started, I really just wanted to trade.
Okay.
So parang, alam mo yun yung I'm an entrepreneur na eh. So I had the time, nasa bahay lang ako madalas. So sometimes free ako. Why not find other ways to earn income?
Sige. So ano ba yung maybe yung mga listeners natin, viewers are asking, ano ba yung Forex trading?
Yan. Okay. Very good. Especially for those who totally have no idea. No? So we start with investing. So maybe the closest thing we can share is Philippine stocks. So Philippine stocks, so basically you want to buy a share of a company. Like for example, Jollibee or Ayala. So you buy their shares, and then you hope one day their value of the shares will rise up, and then you earn money from there. So that's investing. And typically investing is long term. Yeah. So let's say maraming nagpo-post nito, di ba? Parang if you bought Jollibee share 10 years ago, you'll be a millionaire now. Pero you cannot go back in time. Yun lang. So pero parang ganun. So at least 10 years ganyan. And then trading, so we differentiate na natin. Trading is more short term. So trading, basically you go in and then you go out maybe in a few days or few weeks. And then you get the returns immediately from there. So that's trading. So that's in stocks. So you need to understand kung bakit gumagalaw ba yung value o yung price nung stock na yon, nung company na yon. So that's a company. And then we go and differentiate kung ano ba yung stocks sa Forex. So Forex is mainly handling currencies. So like peso, you have US dollar, you have yen, Japanese yen. So yun yung mga currencies. So with currencies naman, again, we are talking about value. So kung ano yung value nung currency na yon, nagpa-fluctuate din. So parang stocks, so it goes up, it goes down. And then you trade that against a particular currency. So you cannot you cannot just trade, for example, peso. You have to trade it against with another currency. So that's why it's always called currency pairs. Yan. So yun yung exchange rate yung pinakatitingnan natin. And then like stocks, so sa company, check nyo po yung performance, for example, ng Ayala. Kung maganda ba o ano, 'di ba? So meron lumalabas na earnings report, ganyan. Same thing naman sa currencies, ang binabantayan naman po nating performance is yung bansa. Yung country's performance. So let's say Philippines, maganda yung GDP, and then most likely yung currency yung value ng peso will actually improve. Yan. So yun naman yung difference nun. May similarities, may differences.
Sige, so for those of you who want to ask questions, feel free to comment it, and also we will choose 2 winners who will win the Leapreneur book. Yan, How to Take the Leap from Employee to Entrepreneurship. So kung may questions kayo about Forex trading kay Jovan, feel free na mag-comment ng question nyo, and you have a chance to win ito, Leapreneur book. Yan, so questions na kayo. Sige, so ano bang aside from yung companies for stocks, 'di ba? Tapos countries sa Forex trading. Tapos you mentioned also na more on long term yung stocks, no? Tapos
investing po. Investing.
And then for Forex mas short term.
Sa Forex, pwede rin mag-invest.
Pwede din.
Pwede rin mag-invest doon. Kumbaga, meaning, let's say, nakita po na undervalued yung Japanese yen. So, bibili ka ngayon ng Japanese yen, mag-stock up ka, ilagay mo sa bangko or sa bahay mo, sa piggy bank, and then you wait until tumaas yung value. Tapos, and then you sell it ulit. So, this is more like physical. It can be digital as well, pero yun yung long term. Trading is really more on time frame. Kumbaga, mas maiksi yung...
Mas maiksi. And that can be a day lang, no?
It can be a day, it can be minutes.
Minutes lang.
It can be seconds.
So, mabilisan talaga.
Yeah.
Also, I want to ask, since trading, how much time do you need to dedicate for this?
Correct. And it's a common misconception ng mga tao na beginners or totally don't have any idea about trading, in particular Forex trading. Is that kailangan parang nakaganon sila sa computer.
Ganun ba siya?
That's one style of doing it. But it's not the only style. Kumbaga, maraming ways nga to skin a cat. So maraming ways to earn in the market. So another way I was explaining earlier as well then, sa may nagtanong, you can, before ka pumasok sa office, you can look at your charts, do your assignment, do your homework, and then set up your orders.
When you say order, ano yun?
So yun yung trade mo, parang doon mo na po i-set yung kung pumunta po doon yung price,
Okay.
nung currency na yon, then doon siya papasok.
So, pwede mo siyang iset
Oo.
na parang pag ganito, bibenta ko na. Parang ganun ba?
Bebenta ko na or
bibili
bibili ako.
Bibili
Correct.
ka.
So, yun yung
Okay.
the proper term is pending order. Kumbaga, naghihintay lang siya doon. And then once na matamaan, magti-trigger na siya. So, set mo ng morning, pasok ka sa office, work ka, and
Okay.
then lunchtime, pag may free time ka, check mo yung phone mo
Okay.
kung na-trigger ba siya or hindi
Okay.
pa, and then balik ka ulit sa work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, ganun po.
So, hindi naman kailangan lagi ka nakatuto.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Pero,
Okay.
yun nga, of course, as a beginner, as much as possible, they need yung screen time. Parang check po nila yung charts nila. Kasi studying na rin yun. Exposure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yan.
Okay. Tapos, how much ba ang minimum? Like, I want to start to learn how to do Forex trading.
Yes.
May minimum amount ba? Magkano?
Yan. Very good question din po. Madalas na tinatanong din yan ng mga baguhan. It's kind of tricky din po yung sagot. Straightforward answer. Merong zero.
Okay.
Merong $50 lang. $50
Okay.
US dollars lang. Pwede na mag-start ng
Okay.
account and mag-trade. But as proper educators, we suggest a higher amount.
Okay.
Kasi
Like,
para ma-practice talaga nila yung proper money management,
Okay.
risk management.
Okay.
Let's say mga $500 US dollars,
Okay.
pwede na yon.
Okay. Yeah, tanong din pala yun ni Jasmine Bahon. Yon,
Yes.
how much capital. So, pwede na daw Jasmine ng 50 pero recommended mga 500 US dollars.
Kung ganun kababa lang, kunyari let's say depende po kayo yan sa broker, marami kasing broker diyan. Yung broker sabihin nila, okay, $50 pwede ka na mag-start. Pwede po yan as a beginner, pero as in to practice lang talaga. Don't
practice
expect na magiging milyonaryo ka dahil sa $50.
Okay, sige.
Yan pa po yung isang
Maganda
misconception. I will be a millionaire after ko magbukas ng account.
Yeah, sige. Tapos-usapan natin yan after this. Si Ryan is here. Nag-comment kanina. Hi, Ryan. Yon, mag-forex trading ka na raw, Ryan. Si Glord is also here from SG. Hi, Glord. Tapos,
po yun, sir, di ba?
yes. Yun, talking about millionaires. Okay?
Yes.
How much or earnings dito? So, you mentioned na 500 US dollars, di ba?
Yep.
How much can you expect to earn
Okay.
with that amount? Kasi syempre parang minsan kailangan mo din ng malaking amount, tama ba, to
Yes.
earn big?
Yes.
So kung
Correct.
sakaling mga garang na 500, how much can you expect to earn?
Very good. Very good. Bago ko po sagutin yan, one thing na I think gusto kong i-deliver sa mga listeners natin ninyo is that hindi po get rich quick scheme ang forex trading.
Okay.
Kasi madalas mo parang gambling na yun eh. Parang all in na, parang gano'n. So, hindi po siya get rich quick scheme, but it's a very, very good skill to learn. You know?
Yes.
So, yan. So, to answer po, it depends po yun kung ano yung performance ng isang tao.
Jano is also here pala. Listening from Makati. Yan.
Yan. So, to continue, no, yun nga, typically mga, in order to learn 3 to 5 years, typical na a normal person na to get into it na parang, okay na talaga. Tapos katulad po yung sasabi ko, depende po sa skills and sa confidence ng trader. Let's say, a trader can earn 5%
Okay.
per month.
Okay.
So, dun po nila ma-reverse calculate kung magkano yung capital na kailangan nila
Okay.
para to earn something
Okay.
like that in a month.
Okay. So assuming para madaling mag-compute, $1,000,
Yeah.
mga 5%.
Yes po.
So about $50
Kikitain
per
per month.
Okay.
Ayan.
So yan yung of course average, so pwedeng mababa, pwedeng mataas. Sabi niya 5% every month. Yes, that's where we left off. So sinasabi ni Jovan, you can expect to earn 5%.
No, sir. I don't say expect.
Okay.
Okay.
Anong magandang term?
Depende po kasi yun talaga
Depende
sa trader.
Sa trader.
Yeah.
Pero average ba tama?
Okay. Kasi
Some traders can expect, pwede ba yun?
okay.
How do we,
siguro just to manage yung expectations.
Yes.
Yan.
Sige.
Okay, so depende po kasi yun sa psychology nung isang trader. Like for example,
Kung
kung gaano
masyadong aggressive siya,
correct,
or, yes,
kung ano yung
okay.
kaya nung
stomach,
stomach
yeah.
mo.
Okay.
Because you can possibly double your money.
Mm.
Okay, so we are extending yung range po, yung
Okay.
possibility. So you
Okay.
can possibly double. I've seen people do that.
Okay.
Dinodoble nila yung kapital nila in just a few months.
Okay.
And then there are other people who are very happy earning 1%, 2%
Okay.
per month.
Per month.
Yan.
Okay, so yan yung range.
Correct.
Yan.
This is
Para-
considering you've done your work, hindi yung parang after a few months of trading, yun na yung ine-expect nila.
Yes.
Yan.
Okay, so yan. Again, this is Leapreneur Insights. We do this every Monday, 12 noon to 1 p.m. So if you want to get notified 30 minutes before we do Leapreneur Insights, where we invite successful entrepreneurs to share their lessons about business, comment lang po ng insights in the comment section. Okay, comment po kayo ng insights in the comment section. Ayan, marami tayong mga tanong. So
Yes.
we can siguro entertain them. Si Eric Duico, sabi niya, "Hi Jovan, what's your take on cryptocurrency?" Ito
Okay.
mas ano naman.
Good. So cryptocurrency, for example, like Bitcoin, yan, Ethereum, Zem, under NEM, yan, may mga kakilala, may mga friends din ako nag-ano. So, cryptocurrency, basically, so, pinag-usapan po natin yung stocks, ano ba yung value behind
Yes.
stocks,
Yes.
which is yung company
Yung
performance.
company performance.
So, sa currencies, which is yung bansa,
Yes.
performance ng bansa.
Ah.
In terms of cryptocurrency naman, yung pa yung medyo vague.
Okay.
Okay. So, I don't have a very solid stand kung ano yung sa cryptocurrency. And madalas, as a trader, if we are blurred about something or we are vague about something, we'd rather step off it. You know,
Okay.
we don't
Okay.
touch it.
Okay, muna.
So,
Until you have a solid understanding.
Yes, correct. So once we see na okay, may value talaga to, then kasi trading, there's a lot of opportunities actually in trading. So, wag na muna. So yun yung stand ko. There be other people who say otherwise, or so yun yung sa kanila. Pero our stand as a trader, yun yung
Okay.
step off it muna.
Okay.
Hands off.
Yes, thank you, Eric. Hope we answered your question. Si Randy naman, sabi niya, I have a question. How can you earn money in trading and how to invest even though we cannot meet each other, and how we invest and the benefits of this?
Okay. How you earn? Okay. So, yung first question muna ni Randy, how can you earn in trading? So, isang difference din natin na-discuss, isang difference between stocks, Philippine stocks, and Forex trading. Sa Philippine stocks, you can earn pag nag-increase yung value,
Yes.
pag tumaas.
Okay.
And then you can just sell afterwards. Pero sa Forex trading, mag-increase yung value nung currency pair or bumaba yung price niya, you can earn both ways.
Talaga?
Two ways. So, pag nag-sell ka po, and then tama yung direction niya, talagang bumaba yung price niya, you can earn the difference.
Okay.
Same thing, when you buy, tas tumaas, you can earn the difference. So, both
Okay.
ways, pwede nga, but,
Okay.
it's a double-edged sword. So, pwede ka rin maging mali 2 times.
Yan lang.
Di ba po? So,
Tama.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yan. And then, how to invest even though we can't meet each other? Yan. Very good question. So, there are, like in Philippine stocks, there are brokers out there. So, they manage yung transactions in between two traders or two investors nang hindi nakikita. So, same thing sa Forex trading. Merong brokers.
Mga brokers din.
Marami po dyan. And then, actually, in the course, which I will discuss later, pinag-usapan, may isang module doon, pinag-usapan talaga yung brokers, how to really choose a proper broker. Kasi marami dyan. And then, it can be, just scamming you of your money.
Okay.
So, yun.
Okay.
It's very important.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Randy. Si Roland naman, saan sir pwede mag-loan para mag-Forex?
Mag-loan?
Pwede ba ganun?
as a general rule sa financial literacy, wag maglo-loan para sa
Para
ganyan.
sa investments. Okay.
Yeah. So, don't.
Okay. Si Jennifer naman, will the internet connection be a big hindrance in earning from Forex?
Not really. Kung yung style mo naman is katulad ng sinabi ko na you just check it once in a while, you set up your trades once in a while, hindi naman siya magiging hindrance. Pero if you are, for example, executing trades in minutes, in seconds, then doon ka magkakaroon ng issue.
Okay.
Kasi biglang, let's say, nag-buy ka and then umaangat na yung presyo, you're very happy.
Yes.
And then, nawala yung connection ng internet mo, then suddenly bumaba, hindi ka na nakalabas.
Yeah, okay. Yun, so keep your questions coming. We will be giving away 2 books ng Leapreneur, How to Take the Leap from Employee to Entrepreneur. So if you have questions pa, yun, feel free na magtanong and you have a chance to win one of the 2 books that we will be giving away today. Ayan. Si Dave, sabi niya, how to choose the legit broker. Any advice that you can give sa to choose legit broker?
And then location. Okay.
And location.
So, katulad sabi ko, maraming there are brokers that will be regulated kung ano yung regulations dun sa bansa na yon. Like, for example, I know brokers na are based in UK, in New Zealand, Australia, and some, this is what I've learned, na maraming brokers na nagbubukas sa mga maliliit na islands.
Okay.
Like for example, Cyprus or whatever. So, madalas yun yung nagkakaroon ng mga issues. So, mahirap kasi sila matrap. So, yun yung isa sa mga masasuggest ko, kapag medyo dodgy na yung pinanggalingan nung broker, takbuhan nyo na. Look the other way.
Okay.
But there are a lot of theirs that are very reputable. Malalaki talaga sila. They have presence in a lot of countries. Then, most likely, safe yung brokers na yan.
Okay. And then si Edgar Bella Agustin, sabi niya, is Forex trading daw regulated by government?
Philippine government, actually, no.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm very honest. They don't have any regulations para sa Forex trading.
Okay.
And mainly kasi ang retail Forex trading, yung pinag-uusapan po natin, is online.
Okay.
So they wala talagang presence dito sa Philippines. Whereas, for example, Philippine stocks, kasi dahil yung stocks based, yung mga companies na yun based sa Philippines, and then yung broker, like for example, COL, they're also based in Philippines.
Yes.
They can be regulated by the Philippine government.
Okay.
So now, katulad ng sabi ko, if you are choosing your brokers, then you want to make sure na yung broker na yun is regulated in that country kung nasaan sila.
Okay.
Yan.
Yeah, so safety check yon.
Yeah. Yes.
Is anyone allowed to trade?
Yes.
Wala naman parang or may dapat ba legal age ka or something? Yun lang ba ganon?
Yeah, may process once you want to open an account.
Okay.
You'll have to send your personal details. Ganyan, na parang totoong tao ka talaga, and then they want to make sure na you're not using this account for money money laundering. So yung mga ganyan, money laundering law. So yun, basically yun lang naman.
Okay. That's good. And gaano ka so if you have questions feel free na magtanong pa. Sabi ko nga kanina, you'll have a chance to win one of the 2 books ng Leapreneur. Yan, How to Take the Leap from Employee to Entrepreneur. And yan, again, this is Leapreneur Insights. We do this every Monday, 12 noon to 1 p.m. So if you want to get notified 30 minutes before we do Leapreneur Insights, comment lang po kayo ng insights in the comment section. Insights sa comment section.
Yeah.
So, yung tanong ko, gaano ka-risky itong Forex trading?
Very good. It's subjective, actually. It's risky in a way, katulad po nung in-explain ko kanina, you can actually earn 2 ways, you can actually lose money 2 ways then. So that's double yung risk. And in fact, dun din sa course, I discuss about risk.
Okay.
Kasi we have a certain view kung ano ba yung risk.
Yeah.
And isa yan sa mga topic na pinag-usapan ko talaga dun sa course is, ano ba talaga yung risk and what can you do about it? Dun sa risk,
okay,
diba?
so maganda yun.
Yeah. Siguro, teaser na lang, risk is actually equals to opportunities. So, like in business, we have to take risk in business as well.
Yeah.
But how do we manage yung risk na yun? By learning about the business itself, getting more people in, yung team natin, may expertise tayo, then we reduce yung risk.
Yeah.
But there's always risk.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, si Jovan is mentioning about the course. He actually agreed to create a course for Leapreneurs. So, yun, we'll be talking about it mamaya.
Yeah.
So, for those of you who are asking how to start in Forex trading, yon, si Jovan will have that, has that course para sa mga gustong matuto on how to do Forex trading. And then we'll give more details later.
Yes.
Sige, so sagutin muna natin yung I think
Questions.
marami pang mga tanong. Si Randy sabi niya, how can we trust a broker? I think may binigay ka kanina na mga checking on
checklist.
Anong tawag mo
location.
dyan? Yung location,
Yeah.
tapos kung maraming branches,
Yeah.
parang gano'n, no? Locations.
It's also, even though a broker is a company, it's still people. So you still talk to people, yung mag-manage yung account mo.
Okay.
So how do you feel about them? Can you trust them? So minsan ganun eh.
Okay. And I think kanina si Dave is asking din recommended brokers. Meron bang ganon?
I can recommend kung ano yung mga
nasubukan mo.
ko na, and I'm still using kasi they have very good customer support, for example. So yun.
Okay.
I can recommend, pero there's a lot.
Yeah,
I don't push na ito gamitin.
Okay. Sige. So we'll share that later.
Yeah.
Sige.
Yes.
Okay. Si Jennifer, tanong niya, is capital index regulated in the Philippines? Same ba yon ng Forex? Capital index?
Capital index is, I think, is a broker. Medyo controversial kasi. So, I would rather not comment into it. Pero you can actually search naman about capital index and yung kung saan sila associated na company, and you will see a lot of information about them.
Okay.
You can also join trader community, like Facebook groups and all this. One I can recommend is PAFTI, Philippine Association of Forex Traders. PAFTI. PAFTI. So they are very good. I know the founders as well. Very clean, very straightforward. Pag merong hindi okay,
sinasabi.
Inaano kagad nila.
Okay. Yun. Sige. So, thank you, Jennifer, for that question. Si Algie naman, hindi ba delikado para sa mga Pinoy ang Forex dahil hindi regulated sa government? May habol ba ang Pinoy kapag naloko? Yun. Very good question, Aldrin. Ano masabi mo dyan?
Very good question, Aldrin. So the straight answer is actually you are right. Na kapag nagkaroon ng issue, most likely magkakaproblema ka na rin dun sa funds mo. But I believe there are a lot of this kind of things then kahit na for example businesses or your MLMs na nag-i-scam. And kahit na under sila sa Philippine law, nahihirapan pa rin kuhain yung pera ng mga tao. So it's the same. So again, it's risk na you have to manage for yourself. One way I can suggest, if you don't really trust pa yung broker na yon, is just put a little bit of money and then test it out. After 6 months, you feel na after kunyari withdraw ka na rin, nakuha mo mabilis. Then okay to then you put more money into that broker.
Okay.
Anyway, when you're starting and learning, most likely maliit lang naman din yung ilalagay mo. Hindi mo naman sasanla yung bahay mo para mag-trade. So,
yeah. Okay. Thank you, Aldrin, for that question. Si Randy naman, Berrero, sabi niya, is it safe to give account information to the broker?
When you say account, bank account, I'm assuming it's bank account, no, Randy. So, the proper brokers, they have what they call a segregated account.
Okay.
So, meaning, yung broker, they just process yung handling ng accounts mo, pero they don't have your money. They actually hire or work with the bank. So let's say, for example, one of the brokers that I work with, they're working with HSBC in Hong Kong.
Okay.
So lahat ng pera nasa HSBC. So in-inform lang nila sa HSBC, may nag-deposit or merong gusto mag-withdraw, and then yun lang. So yung HSBC is under bank regulations. So they have to keep your details
secured.
Secured.
Okay.
Yan.
Okay, sige. So, thank you, Randy. And then, yon, just keep your questions coming kasi yon, you'll have a chance to win one of the 2 books ng Leapreneur, How to Take the Leap from Employee to Entrepreneurship. Yan, so more questions. Si Joel Gonzaga, what is the minimum amount to trade in Forex and how much is the charge per transaction?
Yan. So, nasagot na natin kanina, depende sa broker, it can be $50 minimum, $50 US. And then, charges, okay.
Yes, charges.
Very good question. So, sa stocks, when you do trading or investing, you actually charge per transaction. Buy or sell,
Okay.
meron kang charge, tapos meron pa silang ibang fees.
Okay.
Whereas sa Forex, typically, walang ibang fees. So, let's say, you traded, and then you earn $50 US in that trade. Papasok lahat yung $50 na yun sa trade mo.
Okay.
Okay, so, ano ba't ginagawa ng broker yan? So, they actually earn from the spread.
Okay.
So, there's a difference between buying and selling. So, it's actually same as yung
sa mga
money changer.
Mall na
Money changer, correct.
Yes,
So,
yes.
money changer is the same thing. So, meron silang spread na
Yes,
tinatawag. So,
yes.
difference between
Okay.
buying and selling. So, sa broker, online broker is the same thing. So,
Okay.
dun sila kumikita.
Okay, sige. Thank you, yan, Joel, for asking that. Si Annalyn, sabi niya, hi Sir Jovan, medyo late ako. So to clarify, I can open an account to any broker, not necessarily bounded with my nationality.
Yes, Annalyn, correct. You can open an account even if you are not Filipino.
Okay.
Nakilala ko si Annalyn.
Sige.
Pwede.
Okay. Tapos ito, magandang tanong ni Anthony. Can you suggest some simple strategies in investing in Forex? I think, yon.
Sure, yeah.
We can share, some strategies.
Okay. So, in trading, it's about probabilities.
Okay.
So, mas maganda yung kinukuha yung trade is higher probability of winning. So, isang concept na siguro gasgas na if you are also in the same industry is that you trade with the trend.
Okay.
So, you go along with the trend. So,
Okay.
trend meaning ang trend ba niya pataas?
Pataas. Okay.
So, you actually trade pataas.
Okay.
Pag nakita mo yung trend niya pababa, then you actually trade pababa.
Okay.
So that's the easiest way. So, isang strategy to actually do it is pag makikita nyo kasi, yung price kasi, so wala tayong whiteboard. Imaginary na lang.
Sige.
So makikita nyo sa chart, hindi siya parang isang guhit lang na gano'n yung
Okay.
galaw ng price.
Yes.
So, it's same in stocks, same in Forex. Pero nagkakaroon siya ng stops or parang may waves siya, yung tinatawag. So, if it's going up, so it goes up and then it stops, di ba? So, nagbo-move lang siya ng ganon. So, tawag doon parang consolidation or correction. So, recently sa PSE, sa PSE index, di ba? Di ba tumaas tayo hanggang 9,000 and then now bumaba siya. And then makikita nyo parang nag-stop siya doon na ganun lang, straight
Okay.
siyang ganun. So tawag ng consolidation.
Okay.
Okay, then ang higher probability, so kung uptrend, pag nag-consolidate, ang higher probability trade is tataas siya. So, pag umangat na siya doon sa previous high nung consolidation, pwede ka nang pumasok. And then, hintayin mo siya ulit, mag-consolidate. Either lumabas ka na, kuhain mo na yung profits mo, and then
Okay.
hintayin mo siya ulit.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
that's one way of trading the market. High probability yon.
Okay.
Of course, you have to actually wait
Mhm.
until ma-trigger yon.
Mhm. Mhm.
So, one specific strategy that takes advantage of yung structure na yon, it's called a darvas box.
Okay.
So, a darvas box, basically po, yung consolidation part nung price, nilalagyan nila ng box. So, it's either pag lumabas pataas o
Okay.
bumaba,
Okay.
you actually go in.
Okay.
So, yun
Okay.
yung darvas box.
Yeah. Ito bang mga trading strategies diniscuss mo sa course?
So, meron akong parang diniscuss dun sa course mismo na very, very fundamental siya, pero it's applicable everywhere. So, actually, kaya yun yung diniscuss ko. It's related din sa business, which is supply and demand. So, meron din yun doon.
Okay, good. Si Dave, tanong niya, in Forex trading ba, which one we have to focus on? Learning technical or fundamental?
Yes. Okay. So, sa course, diniscuss ko ng more detailed yan. Pero mas madali kasing maintindihan yung technical.
Okay.
Technical analysis. So, yun yung titingnan mo po yung charts, tapos titingin ka ng patterns, tapos yung price, dito.
Okay.
So, mas madali kasi tingnan ang, siguro i-relate ko sa totoong buhay. Alin lang mas madaling makita, yung past o present? Past o future?
Okay, past.
Past, di ba? So, yun. Ang technical analysis, actually, tinitingnan natin yung past.
Okay.
Kung ano nangyari.
Okay.
Ang future, hindi natin alam. Di ba? So, yun yung more on technical analysis. And then, yung fundamental naman po, it's really studying kung ano yung performance nung company or nung bansa. In this case, Forex. And from there, we create our own hypothesis na kung ano yung posibleng mangyari. So, medyo mas complicated siya compared sa technical analysis. Okay. Pero once na pagtama ka, tama ka talaga. Kasi mas long term yun.
Okay. Yeah. So, thank you, Dave, for asking that. Si Charlotte, parang similar question daw. Hi, Sir Jovan, more on technical analysis po ba ang Forex? So, I think yun yung in-explain mo kanina.
Hindi rin. Mas maganda kung both, actually.
Both.
Both.
Okay. Tapos si Jennifer, sabi na, how does a broker usually charge for opening an account? Is there my monthly fee or, may charge?
Si Capital
Index.
Capital Index ulit. Okay, Jennifer, sa marami na akong brokers na nagamit and then kakilala din. Ang main charge nila is actually when you deposit. So they have a account, admin fee.
Okay.
Sorry, admin fee. And then some brokers actually waive it kapag medyo okay naman yung size nung capital. So, wini-waive nila yon. And then, other than that, doon na, sa spread na, sa transaction fees na nung spread. So, I believe Capital Index charges monthly kasi for some certain benefit na ino-offer nila, value na ino-offer nila. And ako, personally, if you look at other brokers, hindi naman nila in-offer yon. So, it's up to you to decide whether you want to change brokers or you want to stay with them.
Okay.
So, kung yung ina-add value nila sa'yo, hindi naman effective, then why stay?
Okay.
Yun.
So, merong mga brokers na may monthly, merong wala.
Very rare.
Very rare na may monthly. Karamihan wala.
Mostly wala. Very straightforward naman ng broker eh. Once you do transaction, they earn. And then that's it. Wala naman silang masyadong charge.
Okay. Yun, si Annalyn, thank you Jennifer for that question. Si Annalyn, gaano usually katagal yung learning curve to learn Forex? Ayun, ang gandang tanong ni Annalyn.
Yes. Good.
If knowledgeable ka daw sa stock, would it help?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Especially kung you are very familiar with technical analysis na, and then you can easily relate it to Forex trading. Halos pareho din yung mga indicators na ginagamit if you are going to be a technical analyst.
Okay.
Learning curve. Yes, ito marami ng experts na nagsabi, hindi ako yung nagsasabi. Learning curve is actually 3 to 5 years. Depende yun sa kung gaano kakapursigido na matuto, mag-aral, mag-trade mismo kasi you need exposure, kailangan ma-trade mo. Same in business, you think you know business until you do business. Di ba?
Totoo yan.
So pagdating mo ng business ka na parang, ganun pala yun. So same thing sa trading. There is a psychological part of it, so that's very important na ma-experience yung live trading. Nakikita mo yung pera mo gumagalaw, nagiging negative, nagiging positive.
Okay.
Yeah,
and I think last question kay Edgar, sabi niya, where is the Forex Fund Park? Sa bank daw ba?
Yes. Katulad nung sabi ko, typically, yung brokers would be working with reputable banks. Reputable banks. Pag hindi, another red signal.
Red flag.
Red flag.
Okay. Yun, again, this is Leapreneur Insights. We do this every Monday, 12 noon to 1 p.m. where we invite successful entrepreneurs to share their lessons about business. So if you want to get notified 30 minutes before we do Leapreneur Insights para hindi nyo ma-miss, comment lang po ng Insights in the comment section. So comment lang kayo ng Insights. Ayun, Jovan, I think marami nagtatanong on how they can learn Forex trading. And na-mention natin kanina na you have a course for Leapreneur na dun sa mga gusto mag-start ng Forex trading.
Yes,
so maybe you can tell us more about it.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. And I'm very grateful na you've given me this opportunity kasi yun talaga yung the reason why I started Pinoy Smart FX is to really give out proper education, especially for beginners. You know, I don't proclaim myself as a guru, na Forex trader guru. But I do deliver very good training. Yan. So that's what you can expect. So in this training, meron akong basically ang idea ko is to really give you a very good foundation. Na kumbaga overall the years and experts na nakausap ko, ito talaga yun eh. Kasi maraming beginners would be, ano bang strategy kailangan ko? Ano bang saan ako papasok? But really these things na diniscuss ko dito sa course will make you money if you actually master yung yan. So first, of course, bago tayo if we go to school, bago tayo makapagsulat ng sentence, kailangan matutunan natin yung alphabets, di ba? So same thing as basics nung program, nung course, you learn about the basics nung trading, kung ano ba yung mga terms na kailangan and how to actually do it and earn from it. And then another module na discuss na nabanggit ko na kanina, I actually talk about risk. Ano ba yung risk? And then I give a very different distinction sa risk. Because risk is actually equals to opportunities. And how do we handle that, you know? And isa sa mga dinevelop ko is actually to really give you a distinction on paano ba nagpo-progress ang risk. So I call this the diminishing risk factor. So nandun yun sa course. And then, yun nga, brokers, I really talk about paano nyo ba mapipili yung brokers, ano ba yung mga standards na kailangan yung tignan. And then another module, of course, how to earn. Ayan. So ito na yung pinaka-bulk nung course.
Nung course, yes.
So marami na tayong pag-uusapan yan, kung ano ba yung mga tools na kailangan ninyo, paano nyo magagamit yung tools na yon, how to do charting, which is technical analysis. So as a beginner, mas madali kasing you actually learn technical analysis, how the price moves, and because kahit na you study fundamentals, titingin ka pa rin sa chart.
Yes.
Kasi you need to know kung ano yung price na nung currency pair na yon. So yan, and fundamentals will really take a lot of effort. So mas high level na siya. And then, of course, how to set up your orders, lahat yan. Yan. So, yan yung pinaka-back. And then, yung mga later part, actually, I put in a module, how not to lose your money in trading. So,
how not to lose your money
you are
in
asking me, sir, earlier, what makes this course different?
Different, yes.
Not a lot of trainers would talk about how not to lose your money. And I explicitly put it there na, yun talaga yung title nung module na how not to lose money. How not to lose money. Yeah. So, because there are ways, there are certain principles na you can actually follow and use para maiwasan mo yun. Of course, in trading, there will be losing trades. Okay? So, but it doesn't mean you lose your money over time. So, that's what I'm talking about. And then, lastly, sir, because I work with a particular guru, he's a very good trader in Singapore. So I work with a very good trading school in Singapore. I asked for actually a bonus content to be added, specifically for Leapreneur.
Wow, thank you.
And he has this very comprehensive content na sinama natin dito is how to look at the charts like the professionals do.
Okay.
And di ba pinag-usapan kanina yung trend.
Yes.
And then how can you look at it differently in this manner? Kung paano ba tinitingnan ng mga professionals yun. So dinagdag meron din yun. Yan. So yan. It's not sure, parang mga ilang hours din yan. And that's
sulit
20 plus hours yung whole content. Marami talaga siya. And yan, not only that, what we want to offer is really value para sa mga kukuha ng course na to. I will actually offer mentorship.
Wow.
So you can have 2 coaching sessions with me, one-on-one coaching sessions. So after you actually finish the course, you go into our FB group. And then from there, we can schedule kung kailan yung magiging coaching sessions niyo. So, may assignment kasi doon sa course mismo. Kasi you have to do work. Or else, sayang lang yung
Sayang,
binayad,
yes,
di ba? So,
yes.
you have to do work, you have an assignment, and then from there, in the middle of nung duration ng assignment na yon, you'll have a coaching, and then at the end as well. So, you can continue doing it. And then, of course, most likely we'll have webinars then. And then, kapag we fly into Philippines with my coach, which is Karyong, and then we'll have meetups then for them. So, yan. So, lahat yan.
Nice, nice. So mukhang kompletong-kompleto yung course na dinevelop ni Jovan for us. So if you want to know more about the course, you can type in Forex. Okay, type lang kayo ng Forex in the comment section so we can you get to know more about the course. And we're offering 20% discount.
Wow.
Yeah, ngayon until tomorrow. So since this will be the opening the launching of your course. So for those of you who will avail today until tomorrow, you will get 20% discount. So how do you get it? Just comment Forex. Okay, comment lang ng Forex so we can send you the link where you can enroll in this Forex trading course. Okay, plus you'll get 20% discount if you avail until tomorrow.
Yeah. Wow, good deal.
Yes. So, maraming salamat, Jovan.
Yes,
and I think before we end, maybe you want to share yung 3 key things na yung mindset ba na kailangan nila as a forex trader.
Yeah. Yes, nabanggit ko na yung iba. First and foremost, katulad ng sinabi ko, it's not a get rich quick scheme. So like when kung gusto nating mag-earn ng money and we have to do that by working, di ba? Before we can actually work, we have to study.
Yes.
Kung ano man yung gusto. Kunyari, engineer, I had to spend 5 years sa university to actually study and become an engineer and then earn. So, same thing. We have to learn, practice, and then we get there. And a lot of people that I know, I'm in that threshold na din. So 3 to 5 years, diba? So I'm now in my 3rd year and starting to see the difference this time around. So yan. So you have to do the work, you have to study, you have to trade to actually be better. And then second thing na gusto kong iparating, trading is a very good platform para to learn about yourself.
Learn about yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, because there's psychology, you can actually see yourself na parang natatakot ka, fear, and then sometimes you are very greedy, gusto mong mag-earn. And all of this will expose this kind of behavior when you're actually trading. And if you allow yourself, then you can actually use this to actually develop yourself. So, knowing yourself is a very, very big part ng trading in order to be successful. And then last and foremost, which is of course the title of this course itself, trading is actually a business.
Yes.
So a lot of beginners go into trading and treat it as gambling, which is the wrong way to do it. Very easily you will lose your money. So treat it as a business. So what I mean by treat it as a business is that you need to have a proper plan. Parang pipiliin mo kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong style. Gusto ko ba nakatutok ako sa computer or yung mga easy lang, yung check ko lang siya sa umaga and then magkano lang yung i-risk ko. So you have that. So nasa course din yun. We will actually discuss a trading plan and help you with that. So as a business, when we run a business, we also have cost and expenses.
Yes.
Tama. So sa trading, yun din yung kapag you have losing trades. You can consider it as your expenses and costs as well. But when you earn, you need to earn big. So you need profit taking. So yan, those are the 3 things na gusto kong i-share sa mga listener na. If you just take that away, very good.
Yan, okay na. Yeah, so ang ganda nun. First, sinasabi ni Jovan nga na it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. So you need to learn, di ba? You need to get better at it. before you can maximize yung full potential niya. Tapos second, it's a good way to know yourself. Kung greedy ka,
yes.
how much risk you can take.
Yeah, I love that part of the trading. Yeah,
yes. Tapos ang third is how to treat it as it's a business. So sometimes you might lose some trades, 'di ba? But overall, syempre dapat kikita ka. And ang maganda dito yung na-mention mo sa course, you'll have the trading plan.
Yes.
So complete trading plan. So that's makes it easier, no, for them.
Yeah.
Especially dun sa mga nag-start pa lang mag-trade. At least you have this trading plan that you can follow.
Correct. And it's just a structure, so you will have to customize it to yourself as well. Kasi lahat tayo iba-iba.
Yes. Okay. So yan, again, if you want to get to know more about the course ng how to start trading in Forex, just comment Forex in the comment section. Okay? Comment lang po ng Forex in the comment section. So we can give you more details about it. And if you enroll until tomorrow, you'll have 20% discount. Ayan. Tapos,
Ayan na.
yan. So, sabi natin, we'll be giving away a free book for those who ask questions. So, eto yung dalawang nanalo. Congratulations to si Annalyn. Hi, si Annalyn. Nanalo si Annalyn and si Jennifer Punsalan.
Wow.
Yun. Hi, Jennifer. So, you just won a copy of the Leapreneur book. Just get in touch with Ella. So, you can email Ella at leapreneur.com to know where you can get the book.
Yes,
Ayan. So,
congrats.
congratulations, Annalyn and Jennifer. Ayan, so maybe you can invite them to join Forex, Pinoy Smart Forex as well. And then last words for those who want to avail of the course.
Yeah. So, yes, I have a Facebook page para sa Pinoy Smart FX. Just type in Pinoy Smart FX, lalabas na siya, just like the page. Although because I have other businesses as well, so I'm not very active din sa pagpo-post, but when I do, it's very helpful and valuable content. And then finally, dun sa very, very interested, sinasabi ko rin to dun sa mga ka-meetup ko ng mga traders, you actually need to take action to earn from the market. Because ginagawa nila, nag-a-analyze sila, tinitingnan, and then do nothing.
Wala na.
So, same thing when you want to improve yourself, like even financially or your personal development, you have to take action in order to make a difference. If not, you'll stay the same. If you're okay with that, then it's okay. But if you want to change and improve, then you have to take action. So, yun lang.
Yun, thank you so much, Jovan.
Thank you, sir.
Yun, it's a very enlightening session about Forex, especially for me, wala akong alam sa Forex. So yan, ngayon at least naintindihan ko na siya. And for those of you who want to avail of the discount, 20% discount, just comment Forex in the comment section. And ang maganda doon sa bonus na binibigay ni Jovan for those who will enroll, you'll have 2 coaching sessions, no?
Yes.
2 coaching sessions, bihira lang po yun. You'll get one-on-one coaching session with Jovan to help you jumpstart your Forex trading. So, yun, if you're interested, just comment Forex in the comment section para we can show you more details about it. Okay?
Yeah.
So, yan, maraming salamat. This is the season premiere ng season 8. Yan.
Woo.
So, thank you so much,
Congrats.
mga Leapreneurs. And, yun, we'll see you again next week. And as I always say, you are not limited by your current status in life. So, if you want to start your own business, come on, let's make it happen. And if you want to start in Forex trading, yan, comment lang ng Forex in the comment section. Thank you so much and see you again next week. Bye!